What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back and we are going to be doing a tempered glass screen install for the brand new Nintendo Switch Lite. It's by the company Orzly. Let's check them out.
For all time's sake.
So you can pick up one of these on Amazon. I'll drop a link below. It is a 4-pack. So premium tempered glass, scratch protection, ultra slim, anti-fingerprint. It's a tempered glass. It will crack before your screen cracks. Touch sensitive, and it goes edge to edge on that 5.5 inch display. So let's open this up and see what we have. Set my box to the side. Okay. First off, you get your little cleaning pack. You get an Orzly cloth. You get some alcohol wipes. You get some dust removers. And let's see what else we got. Oh, and here are the screens. You have 4 screens that come right here. So I'm gonna move all this stuff to the side. I do need one of these. Save the rest of them. I'm gonna need one of these, a dust remover, and I'm gonna need the cloth. Everything else can basically go back in the pack. First thing you always do is clean that screen with an alcohol wipe. Got my alcohol wipe right here. I'm just gonna wipe that bad boy down. All right, got a nice wipe down on it. All right, we're going to now take this and we're gonna go over that. So the little terry cloth, wipe that down one more time. Put that to the side. So now we're gonna take one of these dust removers, and I'm basically just gonna go all the way around the edge, then up and down. There we go. Now put that to the side. That thing is really sticky. Take our tempered glass screen. I'm gonna pull that, and normally what I do with my screens is I pull them halfway, and then I'm gonna lay that down just like that, and I'm gonna start putting this down over and pulling back at the same time. That way it just kind of minimizes air bubbles. There we go, and you can kind of see it just adhering. Take this little piece that came in there and you're gonna press out the little air bubbles, just like so. And any bubbles that you have should basically kind of take care of themselves in the next couple of days, but you wanna try to get as much as the air out as possible. And I think we got it. Once that is done, I'm gonna move all this trash out of the way. I'm gonna give it a final wipe down. One last little air bubble. There we go. We got it. One final wipe down and we are good to go. Now let's test the actual responsiveness, sensitivity. So it is a touch screen. There we go. I don't think the screen has been hindered in any kind of way as far as the touch. Yep, touch works well. I'm doing everything through the touch screen. What else? It looks really good. It looks clean around there, no air bubbles. Everything looks good. Followed through. So as far as I can see, it looks great. It's none of that grainy coloring. It is super clear. No issues whatsoever from me. So I'm going to drop a link below so you can check this out. This is the Orzly Nintendo Switch Lite Tempered Premium Glass Case set. You're going to get 4 of these in the pack. It's going to be a good thing to buy so you don't break that screen on that new Nintendo Switch that you just got. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.